ही फॅक्ट फायंडिंग कमिटी कोण आणि तांकां ऑथॉरिटी कोणे दिली टू मेक बॅलन्स स्टेटमेंट्स अगेन्स्ट द पुलीस मशिनरी. And if they have any facts, they should have brought to the notice of the police department instead of coming openly on statements during the election time, which was very wrong, trying to polarize the votes. Normally म्हणता की BJP polarization करता, पण हे polarization जे फॅक्ट फायंडिंग कमिटी ओ आनी कशें रेनेवासा जे मॅगझिनाचेर घातले जे इट इज ऑफिशियल मॅगझिन ऑफ द church, they are polarizing the votes. They are making polarization more effective towards BJP. That's what I feel. Where they say the country is being ruled by one or two men and the rest are merry henchmen and running dogs. Please don't vote for a person who is a merry subletum of such individuals. What is this nonsense? But when such a magazine comes from the Archbishop's house, I think they should look at it, what it means. Election टायमार ते म्हणटा न्ही पयर फाटी तेणे इन्सिडंट केलो की हिंदू जागृती समाज जे आसा HAC खंय तरी येयली आनी खंय तरी तेणे म्हटलें की हें सारकें न्ही. I believe, yes, this is correct. I say, sitting in the press conference of BJP house, that this is not correct. They should not make this statement. They should also take care that such things are not done by them. They should also take care that such things are not coming in their reports. Corruption is a very bad combination. The words of Nazism. What is Nazism? Who was Nazism? Hitler was part of that. And that particular Germany, 100%, almost 90% was Catholic, Roman Catholic, which is there in Goa. So what are they trying to say? What are they giving in this magazine? But this magazine, I feel that the church should take care when they're publishing not only this, various other magazines. And I thank the people of Panjim for not going into the polarization, trying to create the polarization by this magazine. The Catholics voted sensibly, whether it is Catholic-dominated booths, where they have voted for Mr. Parrikar or BJP, which showed that they did not get polarized because of this particular magazine.
चर्चीन असल्या फॅक्ट फायंडिंग रिपोर्टाक आपल्या मॅगझिनात सुवात दिल्या म्हूण काब्रालाक हरकत. हो रिपोर्ट खंय पोलरायझेशन करपाक. रोमन कॅथलीक म्हूण आपूण आर्चबिशपा कडेन हे गजालीक हरकत घेतलो म्हूण काब्राल मिडिया कडेन उलयलो.
I will write as a Roman Catholic MLA. I am going to write a personal letter to the church, to the head, and I will tell him, attach this copy, request him for not seeing this magazine. Not only this magazine, church publishes lot of magazines. Individual church also has weekly, monthly magazines. So they should have something. खंय तरी आसपाक जाय की असले डिफेमेटरी करपाक जायना.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.